Here at Ace Car Care, we're proud to work with a long list of insurance companies in the UK, offering insurance-nominated repairs in a timely, efficient manner. What does this mean for you? Well, if the damage to your car is caused by you, a third party, or is quite extensive, then you'll likely need to go through your insurance company to have it repaired. Depending on who you're with, the insurer may have their own body shop which they may encourage you to use, by offering a loan car or by waiving your voluntary excess. However, you can nominate a body shop of your choosing, which is where we come in. We're able to offer loan cars and a competitive price to mitigate any incentives insurers offer, while still ensuring the highest quality of repair. Bring the car for one of our technicians to look at, tell them you're going through an insurance company and we'll get the ball rolling. They'll take pictures of the damaged area from various angles. They'll also take all-around pictures of the vehicle along with the mileage, dashboard, VIN and the registration. We'll then use our market-approved estimating system to put together a cost. This gets sent to the insurance company for their engineers to go over and provide their approval. Once approved and the repair is authorised to be undertaken by ourselves, it's just a case of getting you booked in at a time convenient to you, and we'll do the rest. After the repair is complete, you'll be given the chance to inspect it and sign off on the work carried out, hopefully to your full satisfaction. Any issues or queries about anything I've just mentioned, please don't hesitate to call one of the team or pop in for free no obligation advice. Thanks again.